Now, there's some exciting new bike tech being unveiled at the Velofollies bike show today. In fact, now. I'm trying to time this video so it comes out exactly when the bike is unveiled. And we're talking today about a collaboration between Mahle and Van Rysel. Now, I'm sure most of you will know that Van Rysel is the cycling branch of the sporting superstore Decathlon, and they've developed a thing. It is a thing. It's a cycling concept. It's called the FTP2, and it looks like this. Now that is, not only is it a strange looking bike, but it's a jaw dropper. I don't know if you can make out all of its features from these few press photos that I have, but like I say, it's being unveiled right now, right this minute. And we've been under a press embargo and we're not allowed to talk about it until right now. And I thought, well, let's get straight on board with it. It is an incredible looking machine. It is like a proof of concept. But what it is, it's an incredibly designed road bike, but it has Mahle's latest M40 mid-motor, full power mid-motor, powering it. Now this M40 is an absolute beast. It's 105 Newton meters with a peak power of 850 watts. That is a heck of a lot, and yet it weighs 2.5 kilos. So its power to weight ratio is about as high as it goes. It's 350 watts per kilo. And they've stuck it in this. There's an awful lot of Aero features here which I think would make the UCI blanch. And it's not just a good looking bike, it's an incredible looking bike. I mean, the styling is out there. I mean, the seat stays. Well, there are no seat stays, and they're just those bits, well, they return to the down tube from whence they came, in a sort of slippery Aero way. The same is true of the seat tube. It's gone. It's gone. I mean, there are Aero features all over this bike, from the main triangle, not that it is a triangle anymore, to the blades of the fork. I mean, yes, those things do have 2 crowns instead of 1. So Van Rysel is saying this bike is never going to be for sale, but it's a concept, and they want people to get an idea of high speed cycling, the sort of speeds that can be attained by the pro peloton for normal people. Now, of course, if this did hit the road, it would need, in most countries, it would need a license plate, registration, insurance, a proper helmet. But I love the idea. I love the idea that it's getting normal people to feel what it's like to ride at an average of 44, 45 kilometers an hour for an entire stage. Van Rysel have done a great job about keeping this bike under wraps because it's actually been in development for at least a couple of years. And the quote that they've got, which I thought was fantastic, is, "It's going to break free from conventional e-bike speed limits to explore extreme performance." I want one. I mean, who wouldn't want one? I mean, it's a ridiculous looking thing, but wow, is it going to be fast. And the quote that goes along with this bike from Wim van Hoek, and apologies if I've butchered his name, he's the FTP2 project manager, and he said, "With FTP2, we stepped outside traditional frameworks to explore extreme performance in a controlled way. Every component was designed as part of a single system to push boundaries." So when he's talking about every component, he's not even just talking about every component on the bike. They've redesigned shoes so that they can look at the interface between the shoe and the bike. And the shoes are rather unusual looking too. There's also a helmet that goes along with it. And with the M40 aboard, they're actually using it as a rolling laboratory for future e-road and high-performance e-bike applications, which sounds great for us, doesn't it? And the way they've managed to get what is essentially a full-fat e-mountain bike motor into a really sleek, slippery Aero carbon frame really does hold promise for the future, for us who need a little bit of extra assistance on their road bikes. And I must say, I just love that it's almost the most unlikely of manufacturers who have done it. And yet Van Rysel have been, not even slowly, they've been making leaps and bounds into areas like, they're on the tour, they're on the world tour now, obviously. Van Rysel are now the main partner and supplier for the Decathlon AG2R La Mondiale UCI World Team. Anyway, I found all this high-tech stuff incredibly exciting and I wanted to share it with you. So thanks for watching.